Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video. This is Viral Dudia and you're watching Viral Science. So friends, in today's video I will show you how to make a sound reactive LED light with Arduino. But today we will be using a PCB, that is a printed circuit board. So let's order our printed circuit board on jlcpcb.com. So let's get started.
First, open the website by the link in the description down below. Then log in with your email address and select on Quote Now. Now we will add Gerber file here. Select the file and click on Open. This is the graphical output of our PCB. Now we will select the quantity. I have selected 5 and we will choose the color. Green color is for just $2 and black color is costliest of $18. So now we will save this to our cart and we will select on checkout securely. You can pay for your order through debit cards, credit cards or PayPal account. Here I have received the parcel. So let's unbox it. Opening the parcel, I have got a pen and an envelope. So let's keep this pen aside for a while and open the envelope. So here we have got our PCBs, nicely packed with bubble wrap. This black PCB looks very good and the quality is excellent. So for this project you will need this PCB which we order. You will also need Arduino NANO, sound sensor, Transistor IRFZ44N and BC547. You will also need a resistor of 10k ohms, a jack socket and terminal connectors. So first we will solder the components. I am using this PCB header. You can also directly solder the Arduino Nano. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button below and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel Viral Science and click on bell button so you don't miss any videos.